Abusia maame Akosua Bempoma ba be piemu ewo my Ghana mu. Abusia ni nice celebration of life and after so no dan chenso so a nimye kuma maame Faustina Fosu eba second born yon no so ewu na no nyina ka ho bi na ma Bempoma abe piemu my Ghana. Na abusia obedu ye no eno na legal wife for Queenima platform so nkomo bi ekoso ene omo kire se maame ne ba waba no ewo so obomodin se okosama AbusuaPanyin Kofi Wusu ewo Manhyia ahemfie na no na abusua nkrofo bi so kase da bi ade no se mpanifo se yebesi uso akye hye wo ma kire se ade ne hisa hyase na hyase ewo Kumase ene ye ko waheni we ho no atene outside down ne ko we na ene ye ntisa ade na firi ho na se ekọ ewo ga traditional council ho no mu dia adai na Bempoma sanfanko Manhyia bium ebusia ne omabubu omadwene wo ho amepese obeka me ho akwaje nchirimu no na mebusase so Bempoma be yesa ana se wode beko ga traditional council yankwaje nchirimu nche no so ha guso otumfo ba TV plaso
enti omonye AbusuaPanyin ne den
ma no ma
si omo betimi asama na na one thing otumfo akasa
otumfo hona ye koye no mo 10 and upside down
no de na hemfo na esa o
hemfo ne de
oni baby come be interject na me say mema na kana asema wie
Vonnie na kra de bi o when it comes to side ne de anu e different no
na lady
to ano
ento ba just onim on say de ekoso
lady na me kan tie ni o kan no se so mo
na on to me memo
on let's say on my
name direct
mama mbisa ma answer baby
papa ne yusu papa yusu otumfo din say
otumfo ni a we use the wrongly na ya kan say o hu no ntwe na so
oh nyanya no prega kan prega say no want ni ye okaso we bu omo nimtia so omo nye de hye eno na o kan no
enti eba sa akra no otumfo mponso ho betimi ayeden like
good evening no ebusiafo
evening sorry
hello good evening
but
you na po me
nyame ampo you now swear
but hey queen pocho entuma no water crowd on menye bi wo yen
pocho nyame aduma na the number but na a contact ni pa ko wo friend Jumana
okay na say Jumana wa brochi bi ana
enjo but e benya no WhatsApp
okay yo ma me that's it that's it yeah
DJ Mimi bonyo mame
no one
DJ me do nyum na do na bobi ma ifadi da mi
that's no one mimi pacho bo Julie ube kumila me pacho say it's in the work song request because Julie ube kumila
enti we ba mu na na ma ofom ho
oh sorry ladies who can you penny tree are they
no we
yes ma
social workers for one day sao buku no le pepe no o twu anim se si a no o twu anim dan grofo we
mo za mo no aba
amonu aba
you know to hodin na opportunity no
amonu I want to say what you doing right hey hi amonu hi
what opportunity no mo okay
amonu hi
na ofangelo so de me ni bosso
yes amonu hey
trust no one
yes amonu
say kwa dem say dinu kwa say ahia
my iPhone won't charge mom hi mimi
Vonnie
me driving you know me say mudi code nyombi
enya sam ketwa
na nitie
mo command dey
Ah, come on, there be a yeti no.
This is again. Oh.
Yeah, me who yeah. Me and hire home cry. Look at the way and my Bempoma video me nyan showing you complete, but like you're saying, look at the love and the you shown her. The concern, what to
The love and
when I need apple, when I need apple. You ama ya ma yen I didn't think say ma ha meso so moso montena ho ye betina baby yeso yakọ baby a je say ezi odokọ de odowo meboa nti baby ko ya ye ji
They say they yebema yenkra asem na ehia ye ni o. Na asante sem.
say be hia ye papa
be hia ye pa.
Oba akwa na omfamra, oba akwa.
Of course. Na so ba akwa no yen kran asase so na sa airport ni si nti oba akwa na be koso mo nyia kwa ba enko prempe.
Julie will be coming. Why no?
Ni ko boy you. O to fia se bankuta.
Ni na wonyo minim.
Ni na wonyo ni.
Emo de mo. Mesimmer ayo. Emrewafo ni egu ayo. Old school.
No, Angela wa
Lila, Emilia, Ophelia, Julie, Kumila, Utopia, Sebenkuta, or Dikimi Setapoli, Emilia,
No, wait a short one. Mama call her name Nankasamreba.
Julie will be kumila.
Be kumila.
O to fia se bankuta. Hey.
Ghana dear, hey, right there.
Maybe ba ko bi so when ni so ato wine eno so ho.
No.
One is what that. When ni so ato wine.
na ni swat ne wine na ni swat ne wine
I no mo bobio. Boy.
Oh.
And it's what wine. Wine. Hey, enyom bini.
One yen try and to encomo so na nkofo lady mudi omo mu ndi sa nkomo no. Ye di bedi.
Momo be no.
Mu ndi sa nkomo ye di bedi.
Almost allegiance to the crown.
It's allegiance to the crown.
How be?
Committed.
Yeah.
Prodigal daughters, your child.
Mese crown ben. Na me fa crown ben.
They say in crying ye kwot ye ni omo kwot na ye kopasa ase wonu.
Oh, you go pass us one ngwa. Me na ko machi. Ngwa estate me go pass us one.
But you know the funny thing, me kumasi baby auntie me kwa de. Me mayera wo ho kra auntie no.
And you pledge allegiance to it.
Me nim ho kra me ka wonte.
In pledge allegiance no me din se hunu.
I'm not. I know. I was just trying to just get clarity from what the lady was saying.
Oh, what she was saying there was 100% like I was with her. But the option me person
say yeah.
Me person is sister. Forget to cry.
Ah, no the enya de emma Satan emma way. Enya de beba so.
Ai, ni say ne omo masam ana.
Na de onu ye de ni besi odi na tem ohina ye de ni besi odi na tem di na tem.
Ye won yi ni recording ma recording
kra wanti ya
wo na wo da de so aba hene sa wan hye ya adwuma medi be eni ammo ho sem say wan ka pem
nti one in say ne one
na some time ago ni money pay.
No, but
any also hit to na de
appear that no appear that
so
any also hit to na de so or hit to na de
I don't know the reason why
on to on sama hini na de
ebi asante hima na owu ye no ona na ope na asem ti eba bia no apa achewa ma no eba bia no apa achewa ma no I say me ni nua na ti krom ha sei me ni nua nya se nchen also mo de na call several ekwa na asante hima apa achewa ma no ntiti a asante hima ni ho ne de ekobie wa enya de a ebefa
any yesrem sasantifoni tia nana we dey I hope send na on TikTok na about the platform
obeba mama send man so obeba
minim say open so TikTok account
call my chest last time me bufu time me tea say free the 5 time me pen me bu no de nua ba ko ne ma me two phone so so omuntie de meka na ne ma me ka na pause so da no yes I you nja ne nsam free chese no na busuafo no kro mo pe no nye Onye
It's
papa.
not me so me can say no crab the hunting or ye din. Obi a prenity. Obi a prenity.
Na say about bontin that they trust no one. And no crowd and Kenyan can money how because they were bontin that.
Say be a bad hunting ben copy ho. I think that's what it is.
You fear so nigga no but oh yeah, you don't need them abontin.
No,
Oh.
she doesn't care. And that's not putting
ina
in
ne
here.
dia na ba bonte dada man ki yetu adie so. Nti na die.
And you say they
And
send
we
an
a new one
asmontina
and
there
now
so
we a new
so.
one. Maybe this was a new one. The fact that ye did one come up and it's just a BB womb.
Na koto ya yesu.
And the biggest mistake he did was to reply Papa she. That was the biggest
And
mistake he
American.
did.
It's for him not to address them just a BB womb. Maybe that's how I assume as say. Gidi pa se ne omunsa hyenanum sabaya no. It can be bia.
Or reply papa see na me hu so your puppet.
That's what I'm saying. So then he has done something omo ni bibi and pampa.
The mind of his own. He's being controlled by strings. So no ni na adwene.
Now
If
Juma
you for the controlling no.
Oh, so we heard the audio.
AbusuaPanyin di Juma papa.
Yankase be ye we yesi be boy yen keke ni yen ya de. Yankase be yesi.
Na AbusuaPanyin wanya bibi agina so.
Can you be version so? Yeah.
Che
Even
I'm for some kwasi
the
asem. I'm for
Omo
some
ka
kwasi
ne
asem
be
e
ma
kon
na
kan
sem
for
na
no so.
AbusuaPanyin so bia omo send the command nti no wanya bibi agina so.
Omo ni na mo be.
I'm for try kan for no.
Omunyina Yvonne any lady. When you say yeah you are you're very smart. Omunyina omunsa show bi anum.
Yes.
AbusuaPanyin no kwa akra ho no tumi say you trapping. The way AbusuaPanyin acting on. I say they've put a gun to his head.
Yes.
As for me the two asiniti so onya ade no.
Wanya say ne.
Wanya say yes ultimatum da ho. Enko onye sa.
Yeah, you know ko sika no koje na.
There's time to which now in the family na kone day.
Akura, there's one thing I sister Jowa kasa from the onset. Say abayano. For penny for you or mudinetri. Or wakasa so jidi pa se ejume bi e so a onim. Or like on man buana obetimi de secret number out.
Nasa papa ne phone won ho.
Phone crampo. A lot of things pa na
And papa ni say wu ye no. As they say only you will master tifie na wawu. E ho na ko tutu ne niam akɔhwehwɛ niam mu. Oh. Enti niam so huhu ye na enti wa ye be ye fa ni say Crawford ye blackmail bi.
Exactly.
Blackmail koso papa. Ultimu say ye fa ni say girl no. Say wa say ultimu say ye be ka say Oseni osunim say Roman father na betimi ayesa ade no. Oseni video na so so kai so oseni papa video we. Okay. Then ye say wa ya chichire ni nsa nyina gu nechi.
Nyame adom na so omo kogu prison na omo ayesa ade no.
Oh man jeli e be my be harding. They need to jail some people.
Jail in Jesus name.
Because na mean say Christmas time na ke bi ba akodam. And ye dia be do Easter no. Omo ko di Easter o prison. Ade we say a case I was saying investigators grab them. People need to investigate what is going on. Honestly. I say I Ghana for you too. I won't taking him serious, honestly.
Omo mentality no wo ye no hwekra on say man kwam na na da omo ano na omo ka wo ye den kra wawu. You understand?
But won't me just like that.
And the funu be no.
AbusuaPanyin sa no kai.
And na we dey we dey wawu and na wawu
on say man kwam back.
Na obi na fan taking the life. You don't want to seek justice for
no accountability.
No accountability. Waton funu no ntu waton funu na ju scary.
Global Basro.
Never. What's on TV we home?
Yes, Is Mimi there? DJ Mimi. DJ Mimi.
DJ Mimi.
DJ Mimi. Anajudi now DJ Mimi.
Oh, facha me.
Anajudi.
I'm out for
As we did that also.
Oh, my lucky to so DJ
Lucky
Mimi.
at also.
And then they are looking so far.
Eja me ba ya na me mute here because mo amuni mahanam. Afena. Me search televisions no off.
Yi styles no. Oh, yeah, bu ha switch my sound ni mrem ni NTV. Yeah, be see sound ni.
Ensem bebre sound no.
Yeah, Mimi
Mimi form.
Anti me ba ya na me mute me ho. Cause
yeah, me NT sound ni bi na nkwa na pesa oji wani.
oh, there is sound say live identity say eja enko course la ibia so. Our live no say enko so ibia de.
Volley boa.
Na mi bo. Enumra mo ye yi na ubedi na mo moni a. Video ni nyamoni na na mo ba moni wo.
Moni ni de.
On fan video ba beti so bi bo eto.
Yeah, one time be obi am a report here why.
What say?
Hi baby. Na kwale.
Obi okay, sha baby report here.
Erinti na mba ya na me meeting yes ade ne. Ense ma wo so
cyber security.
My NT about 2 minutes be.
Okay, send it. What are they?
30 seconds cry. 30 seconds cry.
Say
Ina muti na mu fire dey.
Be imagine niema.
Asemuni. Musa go for the muti ewu yeah.
And the quad dream.
Auntie, come and sleep, okay?
And we mean na.
Mani jumpa siasa bu.
Yasu malowa no. Pasem.
Asemo kan want say.
What say?
No, adwuma hoye.
Here.
I'm out for that rest like a hotel. I'm out for a share video do mu awie nto oba ropa no ehemu a obedundum no. So bana star bi wo mu a o mu die. Nye se ne ho ode ankoduru kotikoti mi twetwe pepe.
Oh yeah. I am a profession, you know. Yeah, me dundum no na mako. We be kwa starting from first floor.
No dundum ni nyina.
Na enya yi de ye chiwa ye enya obi.
20 rooms, a room be obehu different style o. Hey.
Na video.
Sana na me catch them on say different styles.
Okay.
Almost like it's like a hotel. That's a pay-per-view. Who's all called the regular channel but pay-per-view no. This one na best amount. To mushe we are. Omundum no eja hoko nto
I got you. Okay, I got you.
The room be an style no more she.
Yeah. We half hour to my normal hours. Yeah. Me dum no.
Ain't na we have foundation. Na where dey?
Semo ye be ni dey.
Yes.
Emu nsem bebre. Abrabo.
I'm sure where you as an hour in UK.
I'm copy again.
Huh?
Copy again Denmark.
Oh, Denmark. Okay.
Yeah. I just city boy. Me bo city ham. Ye be ndey.
I see.
First floor ni there. First floor ni TV ni there. The EBN so sa. And there are news. And the news no mama. Sahani
oh, super so who do some money and I will cost through.
Semo. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Em say dey me fro so crown say na mo kan about you know. AbusuaPanyin ne sankrofo yi no. Wonim say na omo mission no to fulfill and accomplish omo mission no. Na as I say on say omo no into me and spearhead. They cannot spearhead, you know, the entire process. It is so AbusuaPanyin no ebedi animu.
Omo use no as a scapegoat.
As a scapegoat. Na omo use no also in tradition, you know, culture, illegality, so no, identity. It's as only the head of the family.
Of the family.
It's your no back canon. Who call illegality or you know or your right. Cultural aspect or on. And these people, me sing me be trauma kase. Some of we say,
global, let me no. Family nankasa no. Excuse me, sister, you're soft. Because obi anka na niye de pa wo ma. AbusuaPanyin can AbusuaPanyin cannot do what he did.
Oh shit, you know.
You are not a media family, you just the head, like head and interest say kono kwaji funu ne fa. No.
What the head
family no soft and
you don't just have to do nonsense. Head no. You don't have to do any exercise. So why exercises? You know, you traditional leaders no say, you know, so be a header of the family now. So your exercises be our family no go scot free. We have a lot of questions to ask them. Okay. Me dem account, me see me from here, Denmark to in Accra no, comparing to Accra no. Print ticket and you. And they can imprison me. In some day. And I don't care. Come on. Issue not that how no me say, and I say wow. Me see the issue is, you know, a societal, you know, injustice, and we are fighting against that. When it take precedence, it will serve as a precedence for you know, future generations to come.
Right.
That is how we fought. Come on, they shouldn't try. Me papa e ka kire me o se Kwame me slow. Me papa wo wu no oti akunya tuntum so enti na ye din e no mane bi o kwa hemfo na ma ye din me to me, you know, because of old men. You see the whole thing. Come on, we are just tired of them, you know. And when I make kasa kwaku Christo yi so me say we are tired of them. And I me you know, I chanted that song Asante Kotoko or say ye. We don't fear any of them. They shouldn't try us. Okay.
Let's say global. There be a mekase.
Nonsense.
Yeah, Asante for no. The Ashantis no, including me, including any Ashanti no. Jenny brought together ebeya Asante mine. Enti say your chiefs no. We have to be able to say it.
Come on.
Ya him for niya. What's it timika?
Oh dear. Miss Woody. The BCBC.
Because you near Asante man. What the Asante for a year to chief form say,
come on. Coach and one
I hear funny things ask them with.
Is everybody gone? Sorry. Is everybody gone? Have they gone?
No. It's 3 or 4 people.
And are they here? Sometimes you have to check if they are here because nobody is upstairs.
You mean if someone's upstairs?
No, nobody is there.
I don't check.
Yeah. Sometimes you check here and then, you know. Yeah. And also my balance, so I say, and also. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
It's 4 people.
Yeah. With a monkafra, a receptionist and say, some men reconcile, say, Omo my bad down or Omo number, no, ASMO. Yeah, be anything. Yeah. You see, I mean, we really don't understand. Se nipa kwaku wu se ehnefa ne bisi ye se asantemem se ya bunu memu se ya nwona memu eye srim eye hene se be makwaku na oba o tene nchempo kro enya ne yile oye empana eno ese makwaku gina ho se yempapa no yenye autopsy
no no boro ko gina ho ne sister boy
pa chosi
ne sister ne ko gina ho nyo ono a o
there be o na make say you say say ono say you know say na no
okay
say na pesa me kire
ba ha
to funny pesa fa say the sister kro gina na name hini funny ya tibida. We want to ask the leaders. Kwame, I'm crazy. When I rise, Ghana, we cannot fix. Because Ghana is not for any. Ghana is for everyone. Ghana is for every Ghanaian. Okay. Oh dear. Emotions, no. You want to rise it. Papa caution me. Papa caution me and son who was a Kwame slow. It me mom say me so mo blog and me nyebi. Can't sabato mo I mean, come on, I can do more than whatever anybody is doing, you know. Okay. Abusuafo we dey me adwuma kakra nti obule mama si fam because I really don't understand what is going on and I can insult anybody. Come on. Okay, thank you. Pachore, I'll come back.
Why are they global? Why are they?
No. I can fuck them. I can fuck anybody.
They're butania, but
ajubre.
Okay. Actually, thank you.
I'd say I had to be
global. I mean, who say that? Global, we have a call.
No. The issue is, Ima, where they are preying on our intelligence. They say at some Asian to say quack say, Omo peso mo trese to say the seven previous and the Jimmy. What it? More twisty ye leaders ever Ghana. It is a baby side no anko ya into obiaso onkasa. Obiaso onkasa and still a
Ghana penny for you now come as
kwasiasem. Edi just I say having to recession is no common you know into na make say.
That's love I see you down there. Global. No,
they are you know, I don't want to be using some words. No, I don't respect any of them. I don't give a come on, you know. But a recession, you know, I'm on for and you will mom see.
Global, yet our children to we day for you.
Me, I'm from a just me, yes, Antoine and you. Kwame, me, yes, Antoine and me.
Monsieur him at now would dream. Said me can ye. Now would dream on him at now. So,
Queen,
put your crown on your head.
Now one and you photo that ye no.
Sekutu eyekura.
There be obi picture bi abatu your group no me ya ababa wana okasa na
Annie.
What did you go for? I feel like coming I feel like vomiting among
like wow.
Trust me any patuntum so where any bri say
any pafu say etina lumba kan ye ni pafu and cancer ha Jesus Christ. God forgive me.
I say na say the bomb milk.
Me say me ho nya fe na we de. Yes we. DJ Mimi, let's go.
More madofono. You see my love ones.
Hey, I got some so class preference.
I'm my GD enough.
I swear.
Mimi, one requesting you with Vonnie.
Maybe I try.
Vonnie, you better than.
To park Jimmy.
DJ,
hey, maybe assembly here, me or assembly here, Mama Misa. My queen, there's a kwa. You better near TikTok,
You're crying, mommy.
In your Ghana.
Oh, Domingo Bio, Ghana, Domingo Bio.
Are they?
Oh, my gosh, you must mean cool.
Yeah.
I think so. My my high school days.
Akura.
Oh, high school na minim sapa o. Na minim sapa. Na minim sa. We penny mo na o share no crown to me page.
Asemu.
Wow.
Ghana me say we have me see for me see eh say my babrewa.